I'm Mary Means, and my business name is Movement Medicine with Mary D. And I teach age reversing eccentrics here at Highland at 10:30 every week on Thursday mornings. And then that's an hour-long class. And then I teach a stretch and tone eccentrics for 30 minutes at noon. And I also have classes at Largo Community Center on Mondays and Fridays at noon. We work on our flexibility and mobility. We stretch and we strengthen. The age reversing eccentrics is typically for people 55 and older, or people that have injuries they're recovering from and want to just start back into fitness at a slow pace. And we have it nice and slow, so you can sense when you're pushing into a painful area, maybe with your hip or with your shoulder. So I tell everybody to go slow and don't push through the pain, because we don't agree with the no pain, no gain. We are forever painless. That's one of the books that Miranda Esmond White has written that interested me and why I got into this. Anybody that wants to feel better, have more energy, there's something that I have experienced I like to call the E-buzz. When you push through your joints, really to stretch into the joints, and we contract, we resist, we use our own body weight to imagine we have weights in our hands. We use a lot of imagery to get your brain involved too. So you really sense that, like your insides are just lit up. That's what I explain as the E-buzz.